Hello everyone, welcome to Technia TV. I, Mansi Chopra, faculty of BAGMC department from Technia Institute of Advanced Studies is going to deliver a lecture on social audit. Social audit as a term was used as far as back in 1950s. Howard R. Bowen developed social audit concept in USA in 50s. Keeps Theodore J. regarded as the founding father of social audit concept. There has been a flurry of activity and interest in the last 7 to 8 years in India and neighboring countries. Social audit is based on the principle that democratic local governance should be carried out as far as possible with the consent and understanding of all concerned. It is thus a process and not an event. Social audit is a technique used for finding out how the social responsibilities are being discharged by a business unit. Used for judging social responsiveness of companies. A performance appraisal technique evaluates performance in relation to ecological balance, welfare employees, consumer protection, community service, etc. It monitors, appraises and measures social contribution of business. What is social audit? A social audit is a way of measuring, understanding, reporting and ultimately improving an organization's social and ethical performance. A social audit helps you narrow gaps between vision, goal and reality, between efficiency and effectiveness. It values the voice of stakeholders, including marginalized, poor groups whose voices are rarely heard. Social auditing is taken up for the purpose of enhancing local governance, particularly for strengthening accountability and transparency in local bodies. The key difference between development and social audit is that a social audit focuses on the neglected issues of social impacts, while development audit has a broader focus including environment and economic issues such as the efficiency of a project or program. Features of social audit. A. Systematic evaluation. B. Measure social performance. C. Conduct on regular intervals. D. Wide coverage. E. Supplement to social responsibility. F. Acts as a guide. G. Subjective in nature. H. Difference from commercial audit. I. Difference to conduct. J. Voluntary in character. Objectives of social audit. Assessing the physical and financial gaps between needs and resources available for local development. Creating awareness among beneficiaries and providers of local self and productive services. Increasing efficacy and effectiveness of local development program. Scrutiny of various policies, decisions, keeping in view stakeholder interests and priorities, particularly of rural poor. Estimation of the opportunity cost of stakeholders of not getting timely access to public services. Advantages of social audit. Trains the community on participatory local planning, encourages local democracy, encourages community participation, benefits disadvantaged groups, promotes collective decision making and sharing responsibilities, develops human resources and social capital. A grassroots organization of Rajasthan, Mazdoor Kisan Shakti Sangathan, which is also known as MKSS, is believed to have started the concept of social audit while fighting corruption in the public works in early 1990s. As the corruption is attributed to the secrecy in governance, the Jan Sunwai or public hearing and the right to information, which is also known as RTI, enacted in 2005, are used to fight the secrecy. Official records obtained using RTI are read out at the public hearing to identify and rectify irregularities. The process of reviewing official records and determining whether state reported expenditures reflect the actual money spent on the ground is referred to as social audit. Participation of informed citizens promote collective responsibility and awareness about entitlements. The mass social audit under the Employment Guarantee Scheme in Dungarpur is the most significant feature of the first phase of implementation of NREGA in India. Launched on 2nd February 2006, the first phase of NREGA implementation includes Durgapur as one of the 200 districts of India, a district in the poor tribal belt of southern Rajasthan. Dungarpur is also the birthplace of the right to information movement in India. People take a foot march called Padyatra with the aim of spreading awareness across 237 panchayats of Dungarpur, employing 1,50,000 laborers at 1,700 work sites. About half of rural households belonging to below poverty line group in census 2001. Two factors are believed to be responsible for making the social audit a reality in Rajasthan. First, the presence of activist group that monitored the public money spent on draw and relief works, and second, the involvement of the working class in demanding employment as an entitlement. Moreover, the first time in a public program, the NREGA includes transparency and public scrutiny at the statutory provisions under Section 23 and Section 17 respectively. These social audits highlight a significant demand for the NREGA, less than 2% corruption in the form of fudging of muster rolls, building the water harvesting infrastructures as the first priority in the drought-prone district, a reduction of out-migration, and above all, the women participation of more than 80% in the employment guarantee scheme. The need for effective management of tasks, timely payment of wages, and provision of support facilitates at worksite is also emphasized. I hope you understand the topic social audit. For more videos, please like and subscribe Technia TV. Thank you.